Hi everyone, in today's I'm going to explain to you how to fix slow Steam download speed. So if you have a problem with the download speed on your Steam, basically what you're going to have to do is simply open Steam, and after that what you're going to have to do is simply go to your Steam settings. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to downloads, and then here as you can see you have different options. So the first one is download region. So what you can do, you can basically set up this to a closer server. So basically you can change it to something near you. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply disable limited download speed. So if this is enabled, what you're gonna have to do is simply disable this. Then you're gonna have to disable these two options here. So the first one is schedule auto updates, and then allow downloads during gameplay. Now another thing that you're gonna have to simply do is to simply clear the download cache. So simply click on this and then click on confirm, and now basically this will restart your Steam, and this should fix your problem. Now if you still have problems with your Steam, what you can do, you can simply pause the video and you can basically try these other options here. And basically that's it for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.